Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back again. In our previous video, we discussed about this GN Invoice Create FM. Now let's continue where we left from our previous video. I will share you the link for the part 1 in the description. You can go through that, then request you to continue from here. So if X has been passed to the parameter ID dialog, then if any windows pop-ups that will appear during creation of invoice, that will be suppressed. If we don't update anything in this parameter ID no dialog, means if any window appears, we can see that. X means it will be suppressed. If it is blank, then we can see that screen. Okay, if you see in that FM, there are so many tables has been used. So XKOMFK, where we are populating the reference transactions order or delivery numbers to create invoices. Similar way, we are going to get some other data after invoice is getting created. So once this FM is getting called, then as a result, we'll get some data to this other tables as well. XT head is a text determination header table for the billing document. XKOMV is a pricing information. XVBFS, it's a collective processing log for that job. XVBPA partner data. XVBRK contains a billing document header details. XVBRP contains a billing document item details, and we have XVBSS as well. I have mentioned same information here as well. XVBFS contains error logs, right? So whenever invoicing job runs, and if we want to see the log for the job means, then we can go to the transaction code v.21, where we can see that log, how many has been successfully created the invoice, for how many it has been failed, what's the reason for that. So we can see the complete log information in v.21, and that information is coming from XVBFS only. In XVBSS, we can get the processing numbers. Similarly, we have XVBRK, XVBRP, and XKOMV. So once this FM getting called, invoice has been created means, then we should call this FM Bobby transaction commit. So if we need to call this FM to commit the changes in the sense, we need to update the database with the created information. If we don't commit the transactions, then what will happen is that we'll get a message saying that no billing document exists in the system. So it's always recommended to do the commit after the FM GN invoice create has been called. We need to call this FM to commit the transaction data. Then only those invoice numbers VBRK, VBRP, VBPA, and some other database table will be updated with relevant invoice number details. If I would like to discuss on any other topics, do please let me know. My humble request is to provide your feedback. Therefore, it will be helpful for me to improvise myself, and I can do even better in coming days. Thank you so much.